Top 5 reasons why using Quasar for IoT waveform data applications. Waveform data represents a signal that varies over time. It is often used in scientific, engineering, and industrial applications to measure and analyze physical phenomena such as sound, vibration, and electricity. For industrial IoT, the data collected from vibration sensors can be represented as waveforms that provide a complete picture of the asset health of a system or machine. While high-frequency waveform data enables better, more effective, predictive maintenance, several technical challenges often prevent data scientists from fully utilizing such sensor data. Challenge 1. Data volume. Waveform data is enormous. For vibration analysis, a typical sampling rate is 5,000 to 20,000 samples per second or more. Complete waveform signals can generate petabytes of data per year, and that can cost millions of dollars just to store the data. Challenge 2. Data lag. While several technologies, such as data warehouses or data lakes, can ingest large volumes of data, they have an architectural limitation that easily creates hours of data lag, rendering them unable to deliver timely, actionable insights. The prediction will only be delivered after the problem occurs. Challenge 3. Data analytics in real time. Waveform data requires specialized analytical techniques, such as Fourier transforms or wavelet analysis, to extract meaningful information from the signal. These complex analytics are often costly in computation, making real-time analytics even more challenging. If you encounter any of these issues mentioned above, here are the top 5 reasons why Quasar is your ideal real-time data solution for capturing and analyzing high-volume IoT waveform data. Reason 1. Storage costs divided by 20, saving millions. Thanks to the industry-proven patented compression algorithms, Quasar DB compresses the data faster than it arrives, significantly reducing disk usage while enabling fast queries. And that's why many Quasar users save millions of dollars in data storage cost every year. Reason 2. No data lag. Achieved through a real-time AI engine, Quasar DB has a track record of handling large data sets and delivering sub-second complex data analytics for waveform data. This real-time capability empowers data scientists to identify typical patterns before a problem arises, which allows technicians to act in time and prevent failures. Reason 3. High-resolution data increases prediction accuracy. With the help of unlimited ingestion capabilities, Quasar can capture full-resolution waveform data in real time instead of data with a reduced sampling rate. This unique capability dramatically increases the prediction accuracy and significantly simplifies the task of data engineers and data scientists. Reason 4. Real-time data analytics. In addition to data compression and unlimited ingestion capabilities, Quasar DB also offers real-time data analytics during the ingestion and query processes. For example, Quasar DB enables you to perform fast Fourier transform on the fly while you ingest the time domain waveform data from the sensors, which leads to significantly increased query speed and reduced data storage. Reason 5. Quick deployment. Quasar DB supports various edge devices and protocols, such as MQTT, for data capture and analysis, empowering immediate data access and usage by data scientists in manufacturing. Moreover, as a high-performance time series platform, Quasar DB supports SQL queries, a native Python interface, and all the standards your business depends on, which makes it easier for industrial engineers and analysts to access and analyze data without requiring specialized programming skills. With a proven track record for working with unlimited full-resolution electrical and vibration waveforms, Quasar empowers data scientists to successfully deploy their machine learning algorithms and statistical models into real-world problems, saving manufacturers millions of dollars by preventing machine failures while significantly reducing data storage costs. If you're interested to learn more about Quasar technologies, please visit quasar.ai for more information.